Yeah, that's good. Now,
we're about a mile in. On our second day, we have to go 10.9 today, which is longer than yesterday. I don't think it'll be as difficult, but who knows? Last night at Ed Garvey's shelter.
Nice shelter, by the way.
Awesome shelter. I wish we'd stayed in the shelter. But we stayed in our tent. It got a little bit
cold. Supposed to get down to 35.
It was supposed to get down to 30. I don't think it made it, but it was still cold. And
my toes were sort of chilled.
My legs were sort of chilled. My feet.
And she snores a lot.
Nothing compared to him. We woke each other up snoring. And let's see. We both had to get out of the tent twice in the middle of the night.
To go pee.
For you know what.
Yeah.
And the first time I had quite a surprise seeing two headlamps walking through sort of our area. They were looking for a place to pitch their tent. And we directed them to the other side of the shelter where
while this was happening, I was sound asleep, and I woke up and I went, what's happening? What's
going
happening?
on? Because he knew I wasn't in the tent. I was outside talking. He didn't know if I was talking to him or somebody else. Anyway, so this morning it took us about an hour and a half to get ready to go.
Which means folding the tent down, cooking. We're actually cooking now. We had I had apple cider, hot apple cider, and you had Starbucks.
So it's not cooking, but we made ourselves hot drinks.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's cooking. And now we're on the trail.
All right.
All right. Ayite.
See you later.
In it.
In it.
In it.